Hey, a good day to you. This is Rin, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis expert level, as mentioned, this week is quite a challenge because I saw that there are 4 of the case study I can share with you, and I realized that what really interests me is that all these 4 pairs are Japanese yen related. So take note of Japanese yen in the movement for the upcoming current week and the following week, which means these 2 weeks based on trading opportunity starting from Valentine's Day Eve, alright? So it could give us really great opportunity to earn some money. So you really want to take note of that. Alright, so on the daily chart, let's have a look over here on the New Zealand yen. So over here we can see a lot of M&W formation. This is pretty good in a way for trading opportunity, but in real life it shows that market has a lot of uncertainty on the levels and just bouncing off the levels. All right, so in trading is great because it's a very clear-cut trading opportunity for us to earn money. Knowing that market bounce off at a retest level is most likely to happen again until it doesn't. Alright, so which means to say that stop loss have to be in place as well. So down to the 4-hour chart, you can see that there is a sloping downwards movement. That's one way to read it. Some traders who are trained by harmonic pattern, you are able to spot some patterns, which I'll go through it shortly as well. Other ways, you can draw a channel over here or a trend line over here to capture entire movement as well. To the 1-hour chart, there's a lot of ebbs and flow of retest of the support that you can see clearly. And let's say if this market is going higher, then the next level I will be looking at for the high will be at 83.37. Okay. So before we review our analysis over here, very exciting pair. This is the one pair that I know that I have to share with you. Out of the 4 pairs, it's uncontested for that is because shortly you'll get to see. Alright, scan this QR code will bring you to our Discord channel. Over here, this is where under the Traders Cafe you are able to click the pin message, click this link and redeem your free course. All right, so over here, this is where you get to decide if you want to join our Telegram channel as well, okay, to get informed of any messages in case you missed out on Discord. But if you have to choose one, Discord will have more information. All right, scroll down further. This is your free trading that I promise you, okay, and this should be able to get you going in terms of trading. And of course, if you want and if you like to get coached by us, then drop us a note. We will see if you are ready to get coached by us before we accept you as our student. And scroll down further, you're able to see these trading ideas, and this is what we do on a regular basis. Trades that we engage most of the time, target 2 will give us more than 2:1 because we know that by having that, it does give us a profitable result without us stressing over every individual trade that we engage, because with just 40% accuracy, we are already profitable. Needless to say, if our accuracy rates are 60-70%, our returns are just amazing. So if this interests you, drop us a note. Alright, so let's head back to our daily chart and share with you my analysis over here and why is this so interesting. Alright, so over here on my analysis, what you can see is first we have a bullish shark pattern over here. Market has really took off, hit the 5-0 pattern, which is absolutely amazing for our shorting opportunity. Alright, and if you have shorted this, then this is the potential returns that you are having right now at about 187 pips. If I were you, I will at the minimum shift stops to entry. Alright, you decide if you want to engage or exit early. Personally, I'm waiting for a buying opportunity because this head and shoulder formation, which is under my advanced or rather my bonus content that students have access to, fulfill all criteria. Alright, in fact, this is what I call the double-headed head and shoulder because there's a retest of the previous low over here. Double-headed head and shoulder is rare, but it is tradable. Alright, that means the head is at the same level. Alright, touches the same point of the candle body at the minimum. Alright, and we still have all the filters in place, in fact, which is amazing. Alright, so I'm looking for a buying opportunity on a bigger picture at about 82.66 for a buying opportunity all the way up. Okay, so this week will be rather interesting, and this is the highlight of the trades for New Zealand yen for me. Down to the 4-hour chart, traders, you might be looking at this bullish bad pattern, but if you are my students, you know under the filter segment, this bad pattern is invalid. So for invalid pattern, what do we do? Official answer to it is we do not trade it anymore. However, sometimes we have this kind of buyer's content. We want to buy it anyway, and we are just desperate to get involved because we are buyers, correct? One thing you can do is to wait for a retest of this low over here. Make sure it doesn't close below this low for a buying opportunity, and check additional filters, something like our RSI divergence, which in this scenario, it will not happen because the RSI did not went to extreme oversold. All right. So if this sound foreign to you because you are not being coached, it's really easy. Just learn the skills and you understand the language and the words that we use. It's really matter how interested and motivated are you to learn a skill set that can generate additional income by spending 15 minutes a day. Alright, so that's your choice. Alright, so if you have decided to get coached by us, then arrange a call with us. Alright, so down to the 1-hour chart, nothing much over here for me apart from this sell zone. But you do know that right now on New Zealand yen, I have the buyers of buying. So what do? I go one time frame lower and I spotted this bullish Gartley pattern. Alright, look at the price of entry is really rather amazing. It happens at 82.50. So 82.50 is still within this shadow length. You can see our right shoulder on daily chart. Which my plan is look for a buying opportunity along this region as long as it didn't break and close below this price over here, to be exact 82.31. Alright, this is very advanced trading technique and strategy, and for students there's no stress about it because I'll be sharing my trading ideas with you, sharing my exact level with you, so you get to see the entire move. I'm not saying that this is a guaranteed profits, but if it happens, I'll achieve the minimum risk with the maximum returns. It's really common for us to achieve 4:1, 5:1, sometimes even 7 or 8 or 9:1 for this kind of trading setup. But to stretch my trade from a 15 minutes or doing a combo trade from 15 minutes to daily is quite a stretch. I jump it by one more time frame because usually we don't skip more than 3 time frame. In this case, we hit our 4th time frame. That is why I have to be extra careful when I come to this. You'll get to see my trading strategy, and this is where you will get to see an additional level known as the TP0. So TP0 in general, I do not take profit at this level, but I'll shift stop loss to entry at those levels. Alright, so if this interests you and you are committed to learn a skills that is repetitive, that means there is no guesswork and you can do it like a clockwork, then drop us a note for your interest, and you know, it's just like enroll to any other schools and admission interest, and from there we will see if you're a good fit before accept you in our academy. That's all I have for you today. Looking forward to see you soon, and take care.